Morning, students. In the previous class, we have learnt how to create a database in MySQL, how to make the database current, and how to create a table in that particular database with the help of various data types. We have learnt about primary key also. And we learn about how to insert the records in a table with the help of insert into command. Now in this session, we are going to learn how to view the data of the table which we have inserted. It is with the help of select clause. Here the query is in front of us. We have already created the table student with the following attribute: roll number, name, address, house and date of birth. Now we have inserted the three records of Ankit, Prateek and Gaurav. This is the time to view the complete table. Now for this we have to write a command, that is select star from student. Select is a command. It is a clause which is used to fetch the attributes. Now here what we have written, in front of select we have written asterisk. Asterisk means I want to see all the attributes of the table. So once again repeating it, what we have to write? Select star from student. Select is a command. It is a clause in front of which we are writing the asterisk or the star. Asterisk means we want to see all the attributes. From which table? From is also a command. It is a clause. From which table you want to view? We have to give the name of the table after from. After completing the query, what we do? We put semicolon. Semicolon means our query is complete and it is ready to be executed. As soon as I put the semicolon, this output will be in front of me with the complete information of the student table. Now sometimes we require that we want to see only one or two attributes. At that time, what should be done? Suppose in our example, we have write a query to display names of students. What we want? Only the names. We don't want the complete information. Like I don't want roll number, address, house or date of birth. What I want? I want only the name of the students. So what we have to do is we have to write select name from student. So instead of star, what we have done? What is the change is there in this query? Only after the select clause, instead of asterisk, we have written name. So whatever attribute you want to fetch from the table, we have to write the name of the attributes. Now suppose I want to know the name and house. Two attributes I want. What should be written? In the select clause, I can fetch more attributes also, but they should be separated by comma. So in that particular case, what should I write? I should write select name comma house from student. So here in this particular query, what we have written? Select name from student. Student is the name of the table. It is given with the help of from clause. Select is the clause in front of which what we write? We write name of the attribute to be fetched. Whatever you want to fetch, that particular attribute name will appear in front of the select clause. Now something new. Write a query to display details of roll number 2. Now, I don't want all the rows. I have put the condition. What condition? I want to display the details of student with roll number 2. I have 3 records in the table, but I don't want to see all the 3 records. I have to give the condition. Condition means predicate. And conditions are given with the help of where clause. What we have to write? See the query once again. write a query to display the details. Details means select star. Star means all the attributes will be fetched. From which table? Student table. So till here it is clear to you? Select star from student. Where is a clause which is used to give the conditions. And what is the condition? Where roll number is equals to 2. Here we have to note one thing. What we have to note? The data type. Data type for roll number is numeric. It is int. It is in this format 1, 2, 3, 4. So numeric data type is not enclosed in single or double quotes. So no quotes will be there in 2. Clear? Once again repeating it. Select star from student where roll number is equals to 2. Select star. Star means all the attributes. From which table? Student table. Of which roll number? Roll number 2. So condition is given. The next query of which clause? Write a query to display names of students who live in Malviya Nagar. Now I want to display only the names. So what you have written here? Select name. From which table? Student table. So what we have written here? From student. Now we have to again give the condition. And what is the condition? The condition is where address is Malviya Nagar. So condition is always given with the help of where clause. Where address is equals to Malviya Nagar. Now you can go back to the table and see who lives in Malviya Nagar. Who lives in Malviya Nagar? Ankit. Yes. So what will be displayed in our case? Ankit. So only Ankit lives in Malviya Nagar. The name of Ankit will be displayed. The next query is write a query to display names of students who are in Gandhi House. Now we know name and house are the two attributes. So how we have to write the query? We have to display only the names. So we have written select name. The name of the table is student. So from is used to give the name of the table. So select name from student. What is the condition? The condition is student should be in the Gandhi house. So to give the condition, we have to use which clause? Where clause. Where house is equals to Gandhi. Again go back and have a look on the table. Who is in the Gandhi house? Pratik is in the Gandhi house. So only name of Pratik will be displayed. Have you noted one thing? When we were supposed to display the roll number, the details of only that roll number 2. On 2, there were no single quotes or double quotes. But here in Gandhi or in the previous query we have Malviya Nagar. So whenever we want to check the condition based on string data type, I have told you the rule. What was the rule? Int and decimal. These are the numbers, numeric data types. They will not be enclosed in double quotes or single quotes. But char, varchar, date, time. These are the data types which are always enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes.